I don't know about you, but when I suddenly get a craving for something chocolatey, there's nothing quite like a warm and gooey brownie to hit the spot. Fudgey, moist, and boasting 12 grams of protein per serving, these vegan and gluten-free protein brownies are a treat you don't need to feel guilty about. Hey guys, Janelle here. Thanks for tuning in. I'm so glad to be showing you guys this recipe for these delicious protein brownies that are vegan and gluten-free. You know, I have a philosophy and it's this. If you can take something that's inherently already awesome, like a brownie, and make it even more awesome by upping its protein intake, I say why not? I say go for it. And that's exactly what we're gonna do in this recipe. So take notes, save this recipe, follow along, and let me show you guys how to make these delicious fudgy protein brownies. That's a good brownie. Here are all the ingredients you'll need, so feel free to pause on the screen and the next to get a better look, or click the link below, which will take you right to the full recipe on my blog. This recipe moves a lot faster if you have a food processor, but if you don't, no biggie, you'll just get a good arm workout from it. Let's start with all your dry ingredients. To a large bowl, sift in your flours plus the protein powder, baking powder, cocoa powder, xanthan gum, and coconut sugar. Press any remaining lumps through your sieve and then set it aside. To the bowl of your food processor, pour in the dry ingredients, place the lid on, and give it a quick blitz for about 10 seconds to combine. If you don't have a food processor, simply whisk the dry ingredients together in the large bowl you used previously. Next, add in your wet ingredients. That is the soy milk, vanilla extract, maple syrup, flax egg, and sunflower seed butter. Again, if you don't have a food processor, simply combine all the wet ingredients in the small bowl first before pouring into the dry ingredients. Snap on the lid and start by pulsing a few times before blending on high for about 15 seconds. If you hear the motor struggling a bit, add in a splash or two of plant milk until it blends easier. The end result should be a very thick and sticky batter. Once it's been properly combined, carefully remove the blade. I should mention if your food processor does come with a dough blade like mine, then definitely use it. And then pour in the chocolate chips. Fold them into the batter with a large spatula or wooden spoon until it looks something like this. Grab yourself a 9 by 9 inch cake pan and line it with parchment paper. Scoop out the brownie batter and smooth it out with a spatula until it's in a pretty even layer. Like I said, this batter is thick, so this will take a couple of minutes as it will definitely want to stick to your spoon. Also, if you have any tips on how to do this part better or faster, please let me know in the comment section below. Top off the batter with as many chocolate chips as you like and pop the pan in the oven on the middle rack to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Once it's done, it should look something like this. Heaven. Pure heaven, my friends. A little crackly on top, a little crispy around the edges. The chocolate chips are glistening and gooey. Delish. As hard as it may be to do, try your best to wait until they're just warm enough to handle to begin cutting them into squares. Also, try to cut them a little more evenly than I did here, okay? Is it just me, or am I the only one who cannot cut even squares when I bake something? I feel so alone. I guess I'll just go eat a brownie to make myself feel better. Anyway, do you see this? They're perfect. Not too cakey that they're dry, and not too fudgy that they'll fall apart and can't hold their shape. Plus, they have 12 grams of protein, people. They're basically just the best, okay? And you need to try them out for yourself. I used the Vega Sport brand of protein powder in the mocha flavor, but vanilla or chocolate protein powder would be fine in this recipe too. Look at that chocolate chippy action. Ugh. Okay, I'm done. Now go! Run to the kitchen and make some brownie magic! I hope you're drooling. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you loved it. If you did, please give it a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I so appreciate every single subscriber and like I get. If you are looking for more delicious chocolatey content, you might want to check out my recipe for this chocolate avocado cream pie, which is linked right up here. I have so many more amazing recipes on my blog and on this channel. Check them out. I've got a few extras linked in the comment section below. And that's it. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in another recipe video in the future. Bye!